Toyota is the segment leader, and with changes for 2026, it's clear that things are about to remain the same. If you've been frustrated by rivals that force you to choose between off-road capability and daily comfort, or between modern technology and affordable pricing, the 2026 Tacoma is eliminating those compromises. While competitors keep raising prices and reducing options, Toyota is expanding choice across 6 critical areas that directly address what truck buyers actually need. Number 6. Comprehensive powertrain offer. The 2026 Tacoma is bringing something no other midsize truck can match, a powertrain lineup so diverse it covers every possible buyer profile in this segment. Toyota engineers have created 3 distinct engine options, each targeting a specific type of customer. The foundation starts with the base 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, producing 228 horsepower for buyers who need solid truck capability without excess complexity or cost. The more powerful version delivers 278 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. When you're merging onto a busy highway with a bed full of equipment, that extra power means you're not white-knuckling the steering wheel. The improved output makes highway passing effortless and gives the truck a more confident feel when loaded. At the top sits the iForce Max hybrid system, producing 326 horsepower and a massive 465 pound-feet of torque. Anyone who's crawled over a steep, rocky trail knows the frustration of managing throttle input with a traditional engine. Too much gas and you spin the tires, too little and you stall. The electric motor's instant low-end torque provides smooth, predictable power delivery when you need precision control. Toyota has matched each powertrain to different trim levels and buyer priorities. The 228 horsepower engine keeps the base SR affordable. The 278 horsepower version becomes the volume seller. The hybrid is reserved for extreme off-road trims where its torque delivery shines brightest. Competitors offer fewer choices, forcing buyers to compromise. But having the right powertrain means nothing if you can't configure the truck to match your needs, which is where the next change becomes critical. Number 5. Unmatchable configurability. The 2026 Tacoma is setting a new standard for how many ways a buyer can configure their truck. No rival comes close to offering this level of choice. 2 body styles form the foundation. The extra cab provides a 2-door extended cab setup with generous storage space behind the front seats. The double cab delivers a proper 4-door crew cab with a full rear bench that seats 3 passengers. The extra cab pairs exclusively with a 6-foot bed. The double cab offers both a 5-foot and a 6-foot bed option. If you've tried navigating a downtown parking garage with a long bed truck, you understand why that 5-foot bed matters. It's the difference between squeezing into a spot and circling the block. 8 distinct trims span from the work-focused SR to the luxury-oriented Limited, with multiple TRD variants filling the space between. The SR is the no-nonsense workhorse. The SR5 adds convenience features. The TRD Pre-Runner brings aggressive styling without full off-road hardware. The TRD Sport focuses on on-road performance. The TRD Off-Road adds genuine trail capability. The Limited tops the comfort scale. The Trail Hunter and TRD Pro represent the ultimate off-road machines. When you multiply body styles, bed lengths, powertrain options, and trim levels, the total number of possible configurations is staggering. Buyers don't have to settle for a compromised truck. Of course, these configuration options would be meaningless if Toyota hadn't thought through how different buyers actually use their trucks off-road. Number 4. Unique off-road gradation. One of the most sophisticated aspects of the 2026 Tacoma lineup is how Toyota has created a graduated scale of off-road capability rather than offering 1 or 2 trail-ready models. The TRD Pre-Runner delivers the rugged appearance without the mechanical complexity, featuring aggressive styling but sticking with rear-wheel drive. The TRD Sport focuses on enhanced on-road dynamics with a sport-tuned suspension. The TRD Off-Road gets serious, adding 4-wheel drive, a composite front skid plate, and all-terrain tires. It includes multi-terrain select and crawl control for enhanced traction. This is the sweet spot for buyers who regularly explore trails but don't need extreme capability. At the top sit 2 ultimate machines. The Trail Hunter focuses on expedition-style adventure with long-range capability and recovery gear. The TRD Pro represents the most hardcore option, featuring a disconnecting front anti-roll bar, unique 2.5-inch Fox dampers with remote reservoirs, and 33-inch Goodyear Territory RT tires. For 2026, the TRD Pro gains a new exclusive paint color called Wavemaker, a highly saturated blue that gives TRD Pro buyers another way to stand out. Buyers aren't forced into an all-or-nothing decision. Someone who occasionally drives forest roads doesn't need to pay for TRD Pro hardware. Toyota is applying the same logic you'd use choosing footwear. You wouldn't buy mountaineering boots to walk your dog, but all that off-road hardware is worthless if the truck beats you up on the way to the trail. Number 3. Class-leading ride quality. Mid-sized trucks have traditionally suffered from harsh, choppy ride quality when unloaded thanks to heavy-duty leaf spring rear suspensions. The 2026 Tacoma is solving this problem with an advanced rear suspension design. Most Tacoma variants feature a sophisticated coil spring rear suspension that replaces the traditional leaf spring setup. Anyone who's driven an empty pickup on a badly maintained road knows the experience. Every pothole sends a jarring thud through the cabin. The benefits of the Tacoma's coil spring setup are immediately noticeable. Body motions are better controlled, and the truck doesn't buck or hop over bumps like leaf spring trucks do when running empty. This advanced suspension appears on SR5 double cab models and continues through the TRD Sport, TRD Off-Road, Limited, Trail Hunter, and TRD Pro variants. The coil springs work with carefully tuned dampers to deliver the best balance between comfort and capability. However, Toyota hasn't abandoned traditional leaf springs. The SR, SR5 Extra Cab, and TRD Pre-Runner retain leaf springs. These trims attract commercial users who prioritize maximum payload capacity and durability over ride refinement. Toyota is giving buyers the choice rather than forcing everyone into one approach. The TRD Pro takes suspension development further with its exclusive 2.5-inch Fox dampers featuring remote reservoirs. These specialized shocks provide exceptional performance in extreme off-road situations while maintaining surprising refinement on pavement. A comfortable truck is great, but today's buyers expect modern technology to match that comfort. Number 2. Modern tech features. The 2026 Tacoma arrives with a technology suite that brings mid-sized truck buyers into the modern era without overwhelming them with unnecessary complexity. The infotainment system starts with an 8-inch touchscreen as standard. The real upgrade comes with the available 14-inch touchscreen standard on the Limited. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard across the entire lineup. One standout feature is the available JBL audio system with a removable Bluetooth speaker that detaches from the dashboard. Picture this. You're tailgating or setting up camp, and you want music without draining your phone's battery. This design lets owners take high-quality audio outside without any additional purchase. The digital gauge cluster starts at 7 inches but grows to a full 12.3-inch all-digital display on TRD off-road trims and above. This larger screen can show off-road specific data like pitch and roll angles. When you're creeping along a narrow trail with a steep drop-off on one side, knowing your exact roll angle can be the difference between confidence and panic. A head-up display comes standard on the Limited. Safety technology is comprehensive. The Toyota Safety Sense suite includes forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, and full-speed adaptive cruise control, while blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert is available as an upgrade. The TRD off-road and higher trims include multi-terrain select and crawl control. All this capability and technology sounds expensive, but Toyota has kept pricing competitive. Number 1. Pricing. Despite all these improvements and extensive configurability, the 2026 Tacoma is maintaining its competitive pricing structure with only minimal increases over the 2025 model year. The lineup begins with the SR at $33,700. The SR5 starts at $37,800, adding the more powerful engine and convenience features. The TRD Pre-Runner comes in at $40,350, while the TRD Sport starts at around $41,600. Then comes the TRD Off-Road at $44,000. For those looking for luxury, the Limited tops the non-hybrid lineup at $55,000. For the hybrid powertrain, the TRD Sport Hybrid starts at $48,530, the TRD Off-Road Hybrid at $48,830, and the Limited Hybrid at $58,000. Finally, there are two ultimate off-roaders. At the peak, set the Trail Hunter at $65,000 and the TRD Pro at $65,600, both exclusive to the hybrid powertrain. These figures represent minimal increases compared to 2025, which is remarkable considering the level of capability and technology included. In an era where vehicle prices continue climbing, Toyota is holding the line and keeping the Tacoma accessible. Toyota backs the purchase with a 3-year 36,000-mile limited warranty, a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, and hybrid components covered for 10 years or 150,000 miles. Also, the complimentary scheduled maintenance for 2 years or 25,000 miles is the best in the class. The 2026 Toyota Tacoma represents a masterclass in understanding what mid-size truck buyers actually need. By offering 3 distinct powertrains, creating an unmatched range of configurations across 8 trim levels, establishing a graduated off-road capability ladder, solving the ride quality problem that plagues competitors, integrating modern technology without abandoning physical controls, and maintaining accessible pricing, Toyota has built the most versatile mid-size truck on the market. But versatility also means you need to pay attention to different specs and features of different variants. If you're looking for an off-roader that perfectly suits your needs, then you'll definitely want to check out our video about every off-road version of Tacoma explained in detail. The Tacoma covers every kind of adventure, from mild off-roading to ultimate rock crawlers and desert runners.